like to congratulate you for your successful election. For the second time that you have been elected, I'd like to congratulate you on behalf of the entire opposition, on behalf of the India Alliance. Speaker, sir, this House represents the voice of India's people. And you, Speaker, sir, are the final arbiter of that voice. Of course, the government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. And this time, the opposition represents significantly more voice of the Indian people than it did last time. Speaker, sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. I'm confident that you will allow us to represent our voice, allow us to speak, allow us to represent the voice of the people of India. Speaker, sir, the question is not how efficiently the House is run. The question is how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House. So the idea, Speaker, sir, so the idea that you can run the House efficiently by silencing the voice of the opposition is a non-democratic idea. And this election has shown that the people of India expect the opposition to defend the Constitution, the Samvidhan of this country. And we are confident that by allowing the opposition to speak, by allowing us to represent the people of India, you will do your duty of defending the Constitution of India. I'd like to once again congratulate you, Speaker, sir, and also all the members of the House who have won their election. Thank you very much.
Srimati Supriya Sule.
Yeah.
I take this opportunity on behalf of the Nationalist Congress Party and the original founder and our beloved leader, Shri Sharad Pawar ji, and all of us, to congratulate you on your second innings. I still remember the first day when I met you, sir, with my colleague and friend Rajiv Pratap Rudy ji. तब आपको मैं पहली बार मिली थी और उसके बाद आप इस सीट पे जब से विराजमान हुए, हमेशा हम सब का आपने ख्याल भी रखा है। लेकिन पिछले 5 सालों में कोविड में भी जिस तरह से जैसे ट्रेजरी बेंच के साथ ऑपोजिशन के भी हम सब के लिए आपने जिस तरह से ख्याल रखा, हमेशा हमारे हर मेंबर को आपने फ़ोन भी किया, पूछा। कोविड के टाइम में आपकी सारी टीम ने जो काम किया और कोविड में जिस तरह से हाउस भी चला, आई मस्ट टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कंग्रेचुलेट द एंटायर parliamentary staff and team who really supported us in serving at that time. The entire transition of the old building to the new building, the research team, so a lot has been done in 5 years. 5 साल में बहुत अच्छा आपने काम किया, लेकिन 5 सालों में मैं तो कभी वेल में आती नहीं, लेकिन एक दुख की बात हुई कि हमारे सारे दोस्त यहाँ से 150 लोग जब सस्पेंड हुए तो हम सबको बहुत दुख हुआ सर। तो हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले 5 सालों में इस सस्पेंशन का आप ना सोचें, बातचीत हो सकती है, हमेशा हम डायलॉग के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। और तब मेघवाल जी और प्रहलाद जोशी जी के साथ बहुत अच्छा काम कर पाए 5 साल। मेरी सिर्फ नए मेंबर्स को एक विनती रहेगी कि बहुत मेहनत करके हम सब यहाँ चुन के आते हैं। दोपहर को जब लंच टाइम होता है तो कोरम के लिए भी दोनों साइड से मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। So it's a great opportunity. So I've been here a little more than most of you. So very humbly, I would like to request to each one of you that people really look up to us, and very few of us are blessed to be here. So let's make this opportunity into a great advantage for this nation and deliver superior results from here, where whichever side we sit on, the common goal is to serve the nation. So if we all spend more time here together to deliberate more, to argue more from both sides, and to make sure that we serve India and make it a good nation, a brighter nation, because India is one of the largest democracies in the world. So any little thing that happens here affects globally, and democracy is looked as a dark light. So we did that mistake last time. I urge the Honorable Treasury Department that we are here to work and we are here to serve, and I hope we have a much better and a warmer relationship. और हाउस चलाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी नहीं, ट्रेजरी बेंच की होती है. तो मेरे ख्याल से नए मंत्री जो आए, जो हमारे दोस्त रहे हैं, उनके हम सारी बहुत सारी उनसे हमारी अपेक्षा है. और थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. थैंक यू.
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल.
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करती हूं कि श्री ओम बिरला जी, जो इस सभा के सदस्य हैं, उनको इस सभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में चुना जाए.
श्री किशन पाल. श्री कृष्ण पाल.
महोदय, मैं इसका समर्थन करता हूं.
श्री अरविंद गणपत सावंत टू मूव द मोशन. Item number 12.
Mic is not working. Sir, Honorable Chairman, sir, that Shri Kodikunil Suresh, a member of this House, be chosen as the Speaker of the House, sir. Thank you.
Shri N.K. Premchandran to second
Sir,
the motion.
I second the motion moved by my learned friend Shri Anand Sagar to nominate Shri K. Suresh as the Speaker.
Anand Bhadauria to move the motion.
महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री के सुरेश जी, जो इस सदन के माननीय सदस्य हैं, को लोकसभा का अध्यक्ष चुना जाए.
Shri Tariq Anwar to second the motion.
हाँ, महाशय, जो प्रस्ताव अभी रखा गया है के सुरेश जी के लिए, उनको सदन का अध्यक्ष चुना जाए, मैं उसका समर्थन करता हूँ.
श्रीमती सुप्रिया सुले.
So I,
Mic is on. Wait.
sir, I would like to move the motion that Shri Kodikunil Suresh, as a member of this House, to be chosen as the Speaker of the House.
श्रीमती कानीमोड़ी करुणानिधि.
Sir, I second the motion moved by Supriya Suleji to choose Thiru Kodikunil Suresh as the Speaker of the House.
Dr. Virendra Kumar to move the motion. Shri Joel Oram to second the motion.
मेरा साथी वीरेंद्र कुमार जी ने जो प्रस्ताव दिया है उसको मैं समर्थन करता हूं.
Professor S.P. Singh Baghel.
That Sri Om Birla, the member of this House, be chosen as a Speaker of this House.
Shri Pankaj Chaudhary to second the motion.
महोदय, मैं प्रोफेसर एसपी सिंह बघेल जी के प्रस्ताव का समर्थन करता हूँ.
श्रीमती अन्नपूर्णा देवी to move the motion.
मैं प्रस्ताव करती हूँ कि श्री ओम बिरला, जो इस सभा के सदस्य हैं, उनको इस सभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में चुना जाए.
श्रीमती कमलजीत शेरावत to second the motion.
आदरणीय महोदय, मैं इस प्रस्ताव को सेकंड करती हूँ.
I now put the motion moved by Sri Narendra Modi and seconded by Sri Rajnath Singh to the vote of the House. The question is that Sri Om Birla, a member of this House, be chosen as the Speaker of this House. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Shri Om Birla is declared elected as the Speaker of this House. Since the first motion moved by Shri Narendra Modi has been adopted, the motions moved thereafter have become infructuous. I invite Shri Om Birla to occupy the chair.
इन्होंने डिवीजन फोर्स नहीं किया है, इसलिए
We have already crossed that stage. I invite Shri Om Birla to come up and occupy the chair.
आपके चेयर है, आप संभालें प्लीज।
Very